So we have a velocity time graph. This is a graph, and from this graph we are asked to find acceleration, deceleration, the distance OA, that means the distance covered in OA, the total distance, that means the total distance covered, then 5, the average velocity. So I like us to be ready. Now, what you would notice, let's start with the acceleration. Remember, acceleration is OA. OA represents accelerating. Whenever you see this slopey line, it simply means that the object is accelerating. But whenever it is sloping downwards like this, it means that the object is decelerating. So, but for this, we are asked to find acceleration. And I already mentioned to you that acceleration is change in velocity over time, or the slope of this graph. Now, if you notice, to go from here to here, the final velocity is 30. The initial velocity starts from 0. This is origin. It means 0. Divided by the time it takes to go from here to here is 5 seconds. Because from here to here is 5 seconds. So I'm going to put 5 here. Okay? So I'm having 30 minus 0, which is 30, divided by 5. Then 30 divided by 5 is 6. So this is 6 meters per second square. So the acceleration is simply 6 meters per second square. You can see that this makes a lot of sense, right? Now, we want to look at the second question. The second question says we should find acceleration. Now, I want you to know that deceleration. Deceleration is negative acceleration. The negative acceleration. So, it has the same formula, v minus u over t. The difference between these two formulas is that in acceleration, final velocity is bigger than initial velocity. But in deceleration, final velocity is smaller than initial velocity. For example, if you look at this deceleration, at B is going from B to C. At B, which is the initial, it is 30 meters per second. But at C, which is final, it is 0. So if I should substitute the value, it's going to be 0 minus 30 divided by the time it takes to go from B to C is from here to here. Here is 15 seconds, here is 22 seconds. That means the difference is 7. That means the time it takes to go from this point to this point is 7 seconds. So I'm going to say over 7. And 0 minus 30 is minus 30, then divide by 7. And we are going to get